How to fix Windows 11 widgets not opening, showing, or are blank on your Windows. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you are facing the error on opening or showing the blank spaces while the widgets are turned on and off, here are some fixes. The very first step would be toggle the widgets on and off. For this, right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings. Under personalization's taskbar, you'll find the widgets toggle. If widget is already toggled on, make sure to turn it off once and then turn it on again. Close the settings window and check if the widgets are now working. This should probably work. If it does not, let's move on to the method 2. For this, from the settings page itself, you have to right click or go to the account section. If you are signed in into your Microsoft account, you will see your account information. If not, you may be using a local account. Scroll down and click on your info. If you are on a local account, now you have to sign in to your Microsoft account. After that, you can close the settings window, restart your computer and check if the widgets are now working. Likewise, if it's not working, let's go to the step 3. For this, you have to set up the Microsoft Edge as a default browser. For this, go to the apps section from the left side and then select default apps. Now you have to scroll down and find the Microsoft Edge and you have to set it as default browser for all related file extensions such as sdm, .html, .mht and etc. So this is how you can fix the error related to the widgets. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.